对呀，因为所有的动物把你抓破以后，见到齐以后。
There's a big one. Can I put it? Oh.
And you see the Calmsley.
Compost.
One, two, three. One, now two.
Look at that. It's getting hot down here, huh?
Yeah, you should go see our other kangaroo in there.
Look at these ones. They came off the blocks.
How?
The last one.
Some of the animals. So I just need everyone to be sitting down for the whole ride because it gets pretty bumpy. So also hold on. So they're boys, but they're castrated. So that means we call them bullocks. In the dam there's lots of turtles swimming around, fish and frogs. So all of our paddocks have a dam in them, so wherever our animals are living, they've always got lots of fresh water to drink. So we had to extend the fences to make them a bit taller, so the goats can't just jump out. We've got to know where our animals are, they can't just wander around our paddock. And this naughty little one's gone through a hole in the fence. girls. In the next month or so, we'll get a couple of boys. So then in 5 months, our sheep will start having little lambs. Of animals, pigs can't sweat, so they've got to find another way to cool themselves down. This afternoon, I hope everyone's enjoying their ride. I'll come and I'll open up the gates for you. And have a great rest of your afternoon on the
It's like 6, 10 if you're right. It's like